How to screen record on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to screen record on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. If you don't already see the screen recording icon, a solid circle inside a ring, tap the plus symbol icon at the top to edit your control center. From there, find Screen Recording in the list of available controls and tap the green plus button to add it. Now that it's added, simply tap anywhere to exit the edit screen. To begin a screen recording, long press the screen recording button. This brings up a menu where you'll see a microphone option. Tap the mic icon to turn on microphone audio if you want to capture sound during your recording. Then tap anywhere else to exit the menu. Now, to start recording, just tap the recording icon. You'll see a 3-second countdown, and then the top of your screen will turn red, indicating the recording is in progress. When you're done, swipe down again, tap the red icon, and select Stop. Your screen recording will be automatically saved to the Photos app, and if you enabled the mic, it will include audio too. If you want to record without sound, just long press the button again and toggle the microphone off. That's it. You're now ready to screen record like a pro on iPhone 16. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.